Welcome guys. On this video I'm going to show you how to turn your professional Facebook profile to a personal Facebook profile. Now what does it mean? What it means is that currently I am on professional mode, which means you can notice right here you are seeing following instead of seeing friends, right? Although if you click on this area you can see friends. So we actually want to see following and also see our friends which are actually following us. We do not want to have it as a professional page. Now to do that, click on this three-dotted icon and then I'm going to scroll down a little bit and I'm going to say turn professional mode. Now you can notice it says review important changes before you turn on professional mode. If you change your mind, you can turn on professional mode anytime you want. So go ahead and click on continue. Go ahead and read all this information and then you click on turn off. I do not want to have it as a professional mode and I do not want to make money with it. So go ahead and make it a personal account. So that, guys, is what I want to show you, and you can clearly see that this is now looking different. This is now saying 2.4k friends, and it's also saying add story and all the stuff. It's no longer showing me professional page or professional insight or so. So this, guys, is now a professional account or a personal account, not a professional page. A professional account is a professional, which is a page, but a personal account is just a personal Facebook page, personal Facebook account. So guys, this is how to convert from a professional account to personal Facebook account. All right, from professional to personal account. Thank you for watching. I will see you on the next one.